Welcome back, continuing the news. To the story now of how a group of schoolboys from Western Jamaica are turning the power of communication into a beacon of hope for youth. Sandy Williams has details in this evening's Ray of Hope.
Up to the task of the Youth Podcast, President Bandit talk to you.
Just stay focused, never give up, and believe in a God.
Yeah.
Yo.
No matter what, where you go through in a life, cause life hard enough. Believe in yourself. Yeah.
At a time when schoolboys often face negative stereotypes, these young men at the Montego Bay Community College in St. James are proving that the narrative can change. Through honest, fun, and motivating conversations, they have been sending positive messages far beyond their school walls.
We seek to just to address general issues that youth face. We see that some of the youth of Jamaica nowadays, they are really so confident and other stuff like that. So we just try to motivate them and to encourage them to be better versions of themselves every day.
And one important note as well, when we say youths, we don't just mean males, we mean both males and females.
With each broadcast, they discuss issues born out of everyday conversations among themselves that affect students.
For example, procrastination. The other day we did a video on addiction. Our first episode was actually on what is confidence. So you can be doing anything, you can be doing chores, deal with something on the road. I just put in your earpods or your earphones and you're listening to us.
And it's catching on. After just 1 year, For the Youth's podcast has grown beyond expectations. More than 7 episodes in, the impact is being felt throughout Western Jamaica.
We know the narrative already about what it is that our young people are not doing. As principal, I'm very concerned about our young males and their direction, and for them to utilize a powerful platform to spread positive messages of hope and inspiration is something to be thrilled about.
So since we started the podcast, we have seen positive changes. People throughout our school, they have given us feedback that they really like what we're doing. Older people in our society, they really say that they like what we're doing. It shows that all hope is not lost for the youth. And we sometimes while we're walking in our town, we see that people will tell us that they really like what we're doing and they really support it, and we should continue doing it because it's something that is very beneficial for the youth.
Young males need positive, upstanding role models of strong integrity. They are demonstrating that they want to be strong, upstanding men of strong integrity, strong morals, and this is an excellent avenue for them to showcase that they are the future of our communities.
The bold initiative of these schoolboys stands as a testament of the transformative power of youth. Their voices echo a simple yet profound message. Unity, hope, and courage can light the darkest of paths, reminding us all that change can begin with a determined voice and the courage to share it with the world. With your ray of hope, I'm Sandy Williams.